In this video, we will learn how you can automatically extract and add email details of specific emails to Excel spreadsheet. Now, let's say you receive a lot of business mails on a day-to-day basis, and now you want to add email details sent from specific email IDs in Excel spreadsheet. So, we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To extract and add email details sent from specific email IDs in an Excel sheet, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect. On the top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write Gmail to Excel, create. Now it will show you two windows, trigger and action. Trigger is basically when this happens, action says do this. So our entire automation process would be based on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. So a trigger can be when an order is placed, and action can be send a confirmation message to a customer. In our case, a trigger can be when an email is received from a specific ID. The action can be add the details in an Excel sheet. All right, let us begin. So first, we will select Email Parser as our trigger application. Email Parser by Pabbly is an application that helps you to extract email details like subject and attachments and more details from an email. So here you will see it is generated this email ID. So we will just copy this. And now let me take you to my inbox. This is my inbox, and you can see on the top right settings button. Okay, see all settings. Come straight to the mid, forwarding and POP IMAP. Add a forwarding address. So here we will paste the email ID that we copied from Pabbly, and next. Let us proceed. Now it says a confirmation code has been sent to this email ID to verify permission. All right. Now let us come back to Pabbly. And you will see it has captured some response. So if you'll scroll down, in the body text here you will see it has sent a confirmation code like this. So just copy the code, come back to your business account. Now here in the confirmation code box, just paste the code and verify. So now we will just click on forward a copy of incoming mail to this address and keep Gmail's copy in the inbox. So what will happen is, okay, I'll show you. This is my business account, Parampara business account. So whatever emails are received in the inbox of this email account, this Parampara business email account, these will be forwarded to this address so that Pabbly can access it. At the same time, the email's copy will be maintained in my Parampara business account inbox as well. All right. And don't worry, your details would be 100% safe with Pabbly. Now, after clicking on this, let us just save changes. Okay, we are good to go. Now, what we will do is, let us go to Pabbly Connect and click on Recapture Email Parser Response. Do you wish to recapture? Yes. Now you'll see it is waiting for Email Parser Response. To check if we have connected Pabbly with our Gmail account, we will quickly go and do a test submission. So this is my other account, and I'm just sending a dummy mail to this address, email address, Parampara business account. This is the same account with which I have linked my Pabbly. All right, so I'm sending them a proposed marketing plan. Hey, kindly see the proposed digital marketing plan attached and let us know. Okay, so now let me just send this. And let us come to Pabbly. You will see it's waiting for email response. So what will happen the moment my Parampara business inbox receives the mail, the Pabbly will capture response here. And you will see. Let me go back to my account and you will see my Parampara account and you will see it has received this email from Ashi Rai. Alright. At the same time, Pabbly captured the response. I'll show you the details here. Okay, it is sent to our, that is our business account, Parampara business account, sent from Ashi Rai. The subject is proposed marketing plan. If you'll scroll down, you will see more details. This is the body text and so on. So this means I've successfully established a connection between Pabbly and my Gmail account. Now on to the next step. So we will click on action step here. We will select filter. Okay, now why filter? Okay, so why am I using this filter here? Because since Parampara business, this is my business account, I receive a lot of emails on daily basis. And I want that email details only from when an email is sent only from specific email IDs, only then the email details should be added here in my Excel sheet. Like you can see, I've made this Excel sheet here with the name mail test. I have these columns, senders, email, email subject, email body. So I want that when I receive my business account, my Gmail account receives mail from specific people, from specific email IDs, only then these details should be added here. Alright, and therefore we are using filter here. Okay, so now I want that whenever I receive an email from this address, from this person, Ashi Rai, gmail.com, from this email address, the details should be added here in the Excel sheet. And therefore, I have selected Ashi Rai's email address, this, in the select label. Here, I will just write her email address. Okay, let me just quickly write. All right, here you can see. So when this email address, that is ashirai@gmail.com, this is equals to this value, then the details should be added here in the Excel sheet. Also, I want one more email address. Okay, so I have clicked on or. So what I want, when emails are received from Ashi Rai, then the details should be added in this Excel sheet. And when the email is received from another account, that is one more account, even then, in that case as well, the details should be added here. So I want that. So here again, I will select Ashi Rai email address and the label. So here I'll write this email address. So what I want is when I receive emails from Ashi Rai or demo lead, then only the email details should be added here in this Excel sheet. So now I will select save and send test request. And you will see condition is true. It will show you success. Why? Because the previous mail that from which we received the response, this mail we received from Ashi Rai, like you can see in the from column here in the from row, you can see we received this mail from Ashi Rai and therefore it is showing the condition is true. So now whenever you receive the mail from Ashi Rai or demo lead, the condition will be true and their details, the mail details will be added to your Excel sheet. In case the mail is received from any other except from these two, then the workflow will stop right here. Okay, so let us click on the action step now and select Microsoft Excel. For the action event, we will select Add Row to Worksheet, Connect, Add New Connection, Connect with Microsoft Excel. So since I was already logged into my Microsoft account, I will not have to give my credentials again. Authorization successful, it says. Okay, it's processing. You'll see it's connected. Now it will show all the workbooks that I had created in my Excel account, Microsoft Excel account. So I want the details should be added in this particular worksheet that I had created with the name mail test. Like you can see here. So I want these details: sender's email, subject, and email body. It's processing. Alright, now you'll see column A as sender's email, B as email subject, C as email body, like I have in my sheet, Excel sheet. You can see A as email, sender's email, B is email subject, C is email body. So now let us map these. We'll map it from here, email parser. You will see sender's email would be Ashi Rai. Okay. You can have fields as per your requirement. I am just having sender's email, email subject, and email body. If you wish to have more details, you can make it as per your requirement. Alright, now you must be thinking, we mapped it from here. So where exactly are we getting this information from? So let me take you to step 1, where we connected our Pabbly with our Gmail. So here, when we did a test submission, where we received these email details, Pabbly brought exact same details over here, and that's how we mapped in the sender's email. Similarly, in a similar way, we will take email subject, click on email parser, and if you scroll down, you'll find the subject, that is proposed marketing plan. Now, again with the email body, we'll do this. We'll click on email parser. If you scroll down, body text you will find, and you will find the entire text. Kindly see the proposed digital marketing and let us know. All right, so here are the details that we have mapped in. Now let us just save and send test request. Okay, it's loading. Now you will see it is we have received the response. All these details are here. So now let us go to our Excel sheet and check if we have able to add the details there or not. So let me just refresh my Excel sheet. And you will see all these details are here. Wait, let me just expand this so that you can see it properly. And you can see the sender's email, email subject, and email body. So this means we have successfully integrated Excel sheet and our Gmail account all using Pabbly Connect. So now what will happen is, whenever you receive an email from these two IDs, Ashi Rai and Demo Lead, their email details will be added here in the Microsoft Excel sheet. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com, and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.